Are you wanting softer, luscious, beautiful lips? Then you have clicked on the right video. I'm a buzz like a bitch. I make money moves. You straight come dead. I get the money and go. I stack my chips and I roll. Hello everybody, I'm Jasmina Rodriguez and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. Go ahead and do me a favor, like, subscribe to this channel. You're not gonna regret it. I do just about everything on this channel, from DIYs, hair tutorials, different life hacks, video vlogs, everything. I have so much in store for you guys. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, so you're probably going to see like a lot of hair tutorials from men and women cuts, so it's going to be very diverse. It's not going to be just one thing. If you have any suggestions of what you guys want to see from my channel, be sure to comment and tell me below. Like, I want to know what you guys want to see. So I'm also doing other like DIYs, how to make your own jewelry box, something like that. I do a lot of stuff. So I'm a very crafty person. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a lip scrub. Make your own lip scrub or sugar scrub with coconut oil and a little bit of... I'm starting off with my organic coconut oil that I got from Whole Foods. In the video, I started off with a small amount, but later on I decided that I wanted some more. I wanted to make more. So I did go back and add more coconut oil, but this is completely adjustable, you guys. So if you're only wanting to make a small amount, this amount will probably be good. And you can get about 2 or 3 uses out of this, for real. And the whole goal that I want to do is make this a cream consistency, not too thick and not too oily. So what you're gonna do is, for about 30 seconds, put it in the microwave just to get that really smooth consistency. So there we go. This is the I added more coconut oil and I took it to the microwave. So you see that consistency that I have here. So that is basically what we're looking for. And this is the time where you add your essential oil so you can have some flavor to it. I believe I got this essential oil from Walgreens, if I'm not mistaken, and I have been using the lemon essential oil like crazy because I am absolutely obsessed with it. It tastes like candy, like the lemon head candy. So I absolutely love lemon. Now, of course, you can use peppermint. They even have strawberry and all other types of essential oils. Whichever one works for you, use it. If you want to change the color, you can add like some kind of food coloring. You don't want to add a lot because you don't want it to stain anything. So all you need to do for using this product is take a small amount and rub it in a circular motion to exfoliate your lips. It brings moisture to your lips, so it's really good if you suffer from chapped lips or even if you just want your lips to stay soft. Also, another benefit, if you have dark lips, coconut oil is like a natural remedy of getting rid of dark lips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If this works for you, please comment below or send me your results. I'd love to see how this worked for you. Until next time. I get the money and go. I stack my chips and I roll.